Here we cover the form functions and navigation, with the new version form specifically in mind. Once you learn these basics, it is highly recommended to review the automation and filling options available before beginning. First, let us cover the universal form settings. If you have noticed that when in a form you are unable to get to the program window, you likely have the Accords modal setting enabled. To change this, first close your form and click the gear icon in the bottom corner. On the Program Customization screen, you can uncheck Accords modal in the User Interface box, though you may have to toggle to the Modern setting first. Once you have unchecked Accords modal, you can return to the Classic setting, click OK, then close and reopen the program. Now you can have multiple forms open, but use care that you do not reopen a form you already have in edit. Another universal option you should be aware of are the Enhance controls. Under the View menu, you will see an option for Use Enhanced Controls when this feature is toggled off, and Remove Enhanced Controls when toggled on. Enhanced Controls will enable calendar drop-downs in date fields and enforce the form's field format settings. Users who prefer the old version forms typically prefer this feature off so that they are free to enter alpha characters in numeric fields. Some agencies will toggle on the AutoMark Answers to No option available under the Options menu. This will automatically enter ends in all of the yes/no fields when creating a new form. Another toggle option is the 4-digit year. This option will change the year format on existing forms between 2 and 4 digits. How the form appears varies greatly from user to user and is dependent on your Windows display settings. If you wish to adjust the zoom of the form, you can increase or decrease the view by either using the icons on the toolbar or the View menu options for reduce or enlarge form. If you are working in a form with multiple pages, you can change pages using the arrow icons or page drop-down on the toolbar. You can also toggle the floating menu to add or remove a set of floating controls, which you can adjust to your preferred screen location. As you begin to enter data on the form, you will notice that each field will offer a screen tip stating the expected data to enter into that field. Additionally, the form offers guidance on additional schedules and forms for proper submittal. As you enter field data, you may notice that the font size will attempt to shrink to auto-fit the text to the highest capacity of the field. You are also able to adjust field alignment using the toolbar icons or left, right, and center options in the Edit menu. Options for font adjustment are available for a single field using the toolbar icon or for all fields as a universal control under the Options menu. Accord has packaged the field formatting and designed the form specifically around the Arial size 10 font. Changing the field format may create issues in the form output. If you have changed all field fonts and are having issues, you can return to default by choosing Reset to Default Font and Color under the Options menu. You may wish to periodically save your form as you are working by clicking the Save Form icon on the toolbar, or selecting Save from the File menu. Once you have the form filled to your satisfaction, you can use the Spell Checker tool to check for errors. Closing the form will automatically save any changes. If you wish to leave without saving any changes, use the Exit Without Saving option from the File menu.